If you want to maintain your privacy while using Grubhub, hiding your online status can be a useful feature. Follow these steps to adjust your settings accordingly. Step 1. Open the Grubhub app. Launch the Grubhub app on your mobile device. Ensure you are logged into your account to access all features. Step 2. Go to Account Settings. Tap on the profile icon or the menu button, usually located in the upper corner of the app. From there, select Account or Settings to access your account preferences. Step 3. Find Privacy Settings. Scroll through the Settings menu until you find the Privacy or Online Status option. This section allows you to manage how your online presence is displayed to others. Step 4. Adjust Online Status. Look for an option that says Show Online Status or similar. Toggle this setting off to hide your online status from other users. Step 5. Save Changes. After making your adjustments, ensure you save the changes. There may be a Save or Confirm button at the bottom of the settings page to finalize your preferences. By following these steps, you can successfully hide your online status on Grubhub, allowing you to use the service with greater privacy.